Today, we're going to show you how to make a classic Trader Vic 1944, I believe, Mai Tai, using this new rum I got called Tiki Lovers. It's like 114 proof.
But he's going to tell you about it, so you need to come listen.
Stay tuned for Tiki Talk.
You need to come listen. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Ian, Dan, Derek going to show you how to make a traditional Trader Vic Mai Tai from 1944. That's what we're going to do here. Now, I was synthesizing some of this with...
Teller. I'm pen.
Yeah.
Okay.
What? Oh, that. I was trying to get the perfect recipe, so I was talking with ChatGPT about this for a little bit and having this back and forth.
You talk to AI a lot.
I did.
Did you know that?
I do all day long. This is my second brain now. I get so much more done. It's fucking amazing. So like, I just now, if it ever goes away, I'm fucked. I have to go back to like before they even had copy and paste.
You're gonna get one of those things like they show in the movies that like glows, and it's like, "Hello, Derek."
When Derek's
Welcome to Clarissa.
Derek wants to speak to an equal, he's forced to speak with AI.
Right. Exactly.
Like the Irish and God, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Exactly.
You get the movie reference.
No.
Yeah. Braveheart?
Yes, I know.
Okay. I'm like, this is the one movie you should know.
Because we watch it in college like every weekend on VHS. I know. So the recipe, I'm going to break this down because the rest of this could get really chaotic. 2 ounces of Jamaican rum, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, a ½ ounce of orange liqueur, 1/4 ounce of Orgeat almond syrup, 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, 1:1 simple syrup, regular simple syrup, crushed ice, whatever. Shake it. You crush your ice, don't crush your ice, I don't fucking care. Here's the deal. So this is a dark rum I found called Tiki Lovers. I've been looking for a rum like this. You gave me it to taste and I walked away with no redaction. Okay.
You want to taste it by itself?
Oh, there's some over here. I'll go
No, don't worry. Let's do it together.
It's a little burning, but it's good.
It is high. So this is a 50. This is 57%. So this is a high proof. This is this is like 114 proof. This should be strong.
It was.
It is.
But it didn't.
Yeah.
But it's really good.
Yeah.
It's a dual.
It's good.
That's not super burny.
No, it's
Not for how much it actually is
Yeah.
percentage, but it was burning.
So it's rum's from Trinidad, Guyana, and it's a pot still. This is a Jamaican pot still.
Yeah.
Let's see. Aged between 2 to 3 years. Unaged Jamaican pot still rum.
That's not
There's a second rum. I think it's the Trinidad rum. So basically the idea is it's a dual rum because the Mai Tai. So here's the story behind the Mai Tai.
Right.
This is where I went with my friend ChatGPT for a bit. I'm not gonna read all that.
Yeah.
I know most of it by heart anyway. But the original Mai Tai that Trader Vic invented. Now there's a battle between Trader Vic and Don Beachcomber, who invented it, but I think it was Trader Vic. I think that's the final information so far. Trader Vic invented this. He used a 17-year Ray and Nephew Jamaican rum, and he served that for years. And then Ray and Nephew stopped making that specific 17-year Jamaican rum. He couldn't get an approximation from the Ray and Nephew, I think 50. So he was like, "What the fuck am I gonna do?" I don't know if he used those words exactly.
He might have.
What he did is he came up with the Jamaican rum. He used St. James Martinique rum blended with a Ray and Nephew 15 to get the approximation of the taste, because there's the funkiness from the Jamaican, but then there was this other, like, Martinique has like
Martinique's definitely a little funky.
Awkward.
Yeah.
So that combination, so he blended them together. So if you have a traditional Mai Tai, Trader Vic style, it's usually 1 ounce of Martinique and 1 ounce of the Jamaican. But super big pain in the ass, because now you need to have Martinique mainly for that drink. And it's so much easier, and no one ever complains when I just use 2 ounces of whatever the fuck. Like, it doesn't matter.
Sure.
Right? So the Merchant's Reserve, I think is the name of the company that put out like the blend in a bottle. So you just do 2 ounces, which is what this is. I'm like, I just want the 2 ounces, keep it simple to get the taste of the Mai Tai. What I tend to do lately is use this fucking product. Right? This is what they use at the bar. If you go to a bar, you're going to find they tend to use Myers and Sharp. Jamaican. Just that. And then you add orange juice. And then you're good. So you've got this old drink that was once made one way. The original author modified it to fit the problem he had, and that became the way. And then everybody else today kind of invents their own, which is usually 2 ounces of whatever rum they like. Then You get an inch sprig. You're supposed to cut your lime in half, squeeze it, use that piece. Put 151 proof something or other like this. That's a lemon heart. Lemon heart's traditionally used for primarily tiki drinks. You pour your lemon heart on top or whatever you have that's high proof. You could try.
I need a lot.
No, you could try Bacardi 151 if you could find it, but it doesn't really exist anymore. So there's that. I still have some. I sell it to you for 5 times the cost.
Is it lit?
See?
Fire.
And here's the issue with 151.
You can't see it, but
It's fucking clean. Like it's
Smell
super
it, though.
clean. You don't see it, but it is definitely there. And if you don't put it out before you drink it, you burn off your eyebrows.
Or trash
So-
can.
Oh,
Or
it's
whatever.
now you
You
can
can see it.
now you can
Yeah.
start to see it.
Now, the reason this works
Now
okay
we get some
in most
cinnamon.
places
Where's the
is
cinnamon?
oh yeah.
Get the cinnamon.
I didn't come prepared with cinnamon.
Oh, come on. You guys get the cinnamon.
Oh,
I don't have any cinnamon. I got allspice.
No, that's nutmeg though.
Yes.
I know, but I
Yeah,
was
you're
gonna
gonna
say-
put nutmeg into my drink.
Oh shit! Here we go again.
What is that? You can't. You're gonna cut.
No,
That's
it
not
doesn't do
sparking like cinnamon does.
it. No, now you just put it in our drink.
Yeah, now it's gonna taste like. Now it's like, oh, this has a nutmeggy flavor. But if you have this
next
at
time
a
we have to
tiki
have
bar,
we always need cinnamon so we can make fire.
but I wasn't prepared for that.
I think we can snort it and
yeah, then we can snort it.
suck the flavors.
We'll show you how to do it Polish style.
Yeah,
Did you blow it out?
Yeah, I'm just checking to make
Oh,
sure. It doesn't smell very good in your nose though when you have like a
All right.
burnt fucking husk.
Let's take it out.
But
All right.
if you were to get that served at a bar, you would see a nice purple flame and you'd be all like, "Ooh, this is so awesome." In this case, no purple
drinking the
flame.
sugar.
When you do it on set with like 3 hot cameras, you're not going to get.
It's just the sugar.
That's like burnt
Yeah.
kind of sugar.
You got 3 hot cameras, 3 hot dudes. You can't see flames.
What?
Oh my God.
Or you can see flames.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
You're just wondering why you're getting so hot
Yeah.
and you're not here.
The other thing I do when I make these to simplify them, outside of using a single rum,
good.
is I don't bother with the simple syrup in the Orgeat. And I had a back and forth a little bit with ChatGPT on this one too. And I was like, well, this is the traditional way.
Who
of
won
doing
that
it.
argument?
I went, well, you were doing it that way. So if I do this by myself, I double this. The counter argument is that's not what Trader Vic did. So it's hard to combat that. And the goal was to give it a subtle almond flavor, but the sweetness of sugar.
Mm.
So you get what you get and you don't get upset. I just like a little bit more almond, but whatever. Dude, what are you doing in my printer?
Doesn't care.
No.
Well,
I think it's good. It's not too sweet.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's good balance.
yeah, it is
Rum
kind of
tastes
tasty.
good.
Not
It's-
too like.
It's not too funky.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the
Sometimes those classic Mai Tais can be like really
strong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they will rip your soul. Like when you usually get them out of like a restaurant, they tend to have like a lot of like Myers's in there. Like it's strong. This is stronger than Myers's is.
Or when we
Well.
went to the,
Mars, this is.
the place in
It's a new one?
Whose place did we go to?
Oh, we went to Latitude?
Latitude 48.
Latitude
Where
48,
the-
yes.
Not the wheel one.
No, the wheel one was like
The wheel
that.
one was
Oh, we were all just like, oh, like that was some tart shit.
Yes. I was
Grog.
Where was
Oh, the
that?
grog. Oh,
Yeah, it
my
was
God.
Latitude 48 or something.
Yeah.
Or
Oh,
not?
Latitude
that was
48, but
good.
what's
Yeah.
his face's
Those are
restaurant?
strong.
Jeff Beachbum Berry?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Chef
yeah,
Barrel,
yeah.
Latitudes. Yeah.
What's the other one we went to?
It's right next to Latitude. So you just go on Google Maps, find Latitude 48, and then you
down the
just
road.
move
Might
down
not
the
be
road.
there.
Is it
Everything's
48 or am I
different.
getting my numbers mixed up?
It's probably not 48. Latitude 57,
42?
78,
No, it's like 10
Latitude
years ago.
28.
35.
Yeah.
That latitude means something. I can't remember what it is. Caribbean. I don't remember.
Oh, really?
There's a reason for it.
Yeah, photos. Yep.
Don't take my word for it. It's latitude. The end of the game is that this is not
29?
latitude 29.
Oh. Low carb cocktail guy.
Oh.
Latitude 29.
There we Oh, late, but
Let me
hey,
Google that for you,
that's
he
how-
said.
that's how it works when you get on the stream late.
See, like that's good, but it's hard to find a Mai Tai like this out at a restaurant.
Oh no,
You're not going to get it.
it's going to be really dark because they use Myers a lot, and it's
It's
dark.
sweet.
It's going to be funky, right? Because Jamaican rum is funky. So the solution to getting the funkiness is to put orange juice, sugars and some other stuff in there, pineapple juice. They make it taste like a tropical beverage.
Yeah.
This tastes more like a twist on a daiquiri. Like it's got a little more of like a darker sugary daiquiri flavor. A little
I can
almond.
see like a tad more Orgeat in this.
That's what I'm saying. That's the way I go. But you got to do what you want. That's just your classic Trader Vic Mai Tai. I think this rum works pretty good, and it's for being 114% proof. 114 proof because you can't get over 100% because that would be weird. It doesn't come through as like super boozy,
No.
which is good. So if you guys want to check it out, they don't.
I mean,
pay
it's
me
good
for
because it's
anything.
not like super sugary.
Is it Tiki Talk?
Oh, that sounds right.
It might have been.
Frenchman?
Well, ask
Yes.
low carb cocktail guy what the other tiki place is down the street
Tiki Talk.
because he lives like 30 minutes from there. So yeah, you spin the wheel at the bar.
It's
This
the
looks like it's the
29th
right
latitude
shape.
line.
It's some
below.
tiki shit.
I
It'll
don't
knock you
know-
in the face.
I don't know what the 29
And
means.
it made
He
me
said
feel
it.
sick for days.
Yeah,
It's the latitude. It's
Yeah,
the
I know what
actual-
that is, but
yeah.
that's not what it
That's
is.
Tiki Talk.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, but I don't
Ian
know
sick for
why
days.
the 29th. What's on the 29th?
That wasn't it.
latitude?
Is that-
That's right.
No, is the bar on the 29th latitude?
No, I don't think so. Oh man, that would be. I don't. That's mad.
I mean, that's what he said.
He could never move it.
Yeah, tiki talks.
He'd have to change
Yeah.
the name of the freaking bar every time he moved it a latitude. That's a lot of work. You
Why would
always
you
have to
move it?
stay on.
Well,
the
yeah,
latitude.
but it's the only one.
Right.
There's not multiple latitude 29s, are there?
No. But what if you? What if
we
you
want
needed
a
to move your
franchise?
bar? Maybe you want a franchise. Or if you said, "I want to move my bar."
Well, you
down
say the
road."
original one.
Yeah.
But you can do
Really?
latitude 29 too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really not easy.
Yeah.
Whatever. That's
That's his business
that's a
problem.
different problem.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah,
you
this
don't
is,
need to
I'm not solving this today for him.
You better go talk to GPT after this. See if you guys can figure this shit out.
He'll tell me. He'll tell me exactly. He'll be like, "Oh, what you do is you go to Tulsa. It's on the same latitude line." Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know. So go to ostrix.com, get our bartender starter kit, and that's going to be it for today. There's some more videos over here on top of Ian's head. They're going to eat some cucumbers. Why do you have cucumber? We're not even doing a cucumber drink. Anyway,
That's why I'm eating it.
we're teaching you how to drink.